So as we had a discussion in previous lecture on design of instrumentation amplifier, we have seen single op-amp differential amplifier. Its drawback is its input impedance is very less in inverting terminal compared to non-inverting terminal. May load the signal source heavily and may damage it. Therefore, 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier is designed, wherein first two op-amp, that is A1 and A2 stage, is used as buffer, which will provide high input impedance to the signal source, and third stage is the differential amplifier stage. Accordingly, we had output formula and we had one numerical on that. Now, this 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier cannot be directly used for measuring physical quantities. For that, the bridge amplifier is designed. So we'll see bridge amplifier today, and we'll have one more numerical on instrumentation amplifier as shown in the figure, wherein, as we discussed, design 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier using IC741 for adjustable voltage gain of 50 to 500. Is PPT visible full screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similar problem we conducted in previous lecture. Here is A1 and A2 is a buffer stage. To A1 voltage V2 is connected, A2 voltage V1 is connected, and then there is a differential stage by stage A3, wherein V2 dash and V1 dash is connected, and we had output formula. So our aim is just to design op-amp for op-amp 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier for gain, adjustable gain from 50 to 500. So it is not a complete circuit, just we have to set the gain of this. Therefore, this type of question asks for 7 to 8 marks only. So we have to select differential gain. You may select differential gain, any differential gain. So I have used R2 by R1 is equal to 2. So for that one of the value is chosen, say R1 is say 5k, therefore R2 will come 10k. So 10k by 5k, the differential gain will be 2. Now the maximum gain given is 500, therefore AV max is 1 plus twice R2, sorry, twice R dash divided by R. So you know complete formula is AV is equal to R2 by R1 into 1 plus twice R dash upon R. This is the complete formula, out of which we have chosen R2 by R1 is equal to 2. Therefore, of course, for this formula only, that is 1 plus twice R dash by R, it will be 500 divided by 2. So it will be 250. So I took 250 will be equal to 1 plus twice R dash upon R. Therefore, R dash by R will be 124.5. Let's choose R dash is equal to 50k. Then minimum resistance R will be 401 ohm. So in this diagram, I'll come back to the diagram. In this diagram, R must be minimum 401k. I am highlighting it, 401k, sorry, 401 ohm, so that 500 gain will be provided for particular combination of R1, R2 and R dash. But we have to calculate the maximum value of R so that it can provide you 50 gain. We have designed for 500, now we'll think of 50. So for that, again R2 by R1 is 2. So now minimum gain is 50. R2 by R1 is 2. Therefore, AV minimum for this 1 plus R dash 2 divided by R will be equal to 25. Therefore, R dash by R will be equal to 12. Let's choose R dash. Of course, we already did this. R dash is 50k, so second time solve karte waqt it must be 50k, don't change it. Accordingly, R max comes, that is 4.166 kilo ohm. Hence, we know R minimum is 401 ohm, R maximum is 4.166 K. Hence, R is a potentiometer, say 4.166 K का approximate value हम ले सकते हैं इसमें, and minimum 401 ohm resistance must be in series with this potentiometer to limit maximum gain to 500, not 100, it is 500. So that maximum gain will be equal to 500. Now, this is all about 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier and setting their gain as adjustable gain amplifier, instrumentation amplifier. Now, the next topic is the bridge amplifier. Now, where we use instrumentation amplifier, wherever we wanted to measure physical quantity like temperature, pressure, then light intensity, water flow, likewise. So these quantities are read by some transducer. There might be some passive transducer like RTD, then LDR, likewise. There might be some active transducer like thermocouple. If you place thermocouple into certain temperature, it directly provides you voltage in millivolt at the output terminal of the thermocouple. So whenever we are measuring uh, physical quantity like say temperature using RTD, we know RTD is a device which changes its physical value of its resistance, of course, with respect to temperature. So that physical quantity cannot be directly say given to 3 op amp instrumentation amplifier for display or say control purpose. Therefore, what we do, you have seen such type of bridge. So we use such component into a balanced bridge. So you can see here, bridge is there where RA, RB, RC and RT, this one, is connected into the bridge where two sides of bridge are excited. This bridge is excited by voltage VDC. Excitation voltage is required because transducer type is passive. Therefore, when all the resistances are equal, RA, RB, RC and RT, then bridge is said to be balanced. Then the voltage at another corner of the bridge, that is, I will say here whatever is the notation, I will say V1, and at another corner, that is V2, they will be same. V1 and V2 will be same. And if V1 and V2 will be same, what is the job of 3 op amp instrumentation amplifier? It is a instrumentation amplifier gain multiplied by V1 minus V2, and V1 minus V2 itself is 0 because they are same. So whenever there is bridge balance condition, the output of the instrumentation amplifier will be of course 0. But whenever the bridge is imbalanced, then some difference between V2 and V1 will be say developed, and that will be multiplied by the gain of an amplifier, and then output is non-zero. So the figure shows a differential instrumentation amplifier using transducer bridge. The circuit uses a resistive network whose resistance changes as a function of physical quantity to be measured, say temperature. The bridge is initially balanced by DC power supply called VDC, and V1 and V2 will be equal. As the physical quantity changes, the resistance RT, which is temperature dependent resistance of the transducer bridge, also changes, causing unbalance into the bridge. Therefore, V1 and V2 are not equal. This difference voltage is now amplified by 3 op amp instrumentation amplifier, and there are number of practical application of instrumentation amplifier with the transducer bridge, such as temperature indicator, light intensity meter, etc. So we'll have one example of, say, temperature controller using instrumentation amplifier and bridge. So here, numerical 3 on bridge instrumentation amplifier. Design instrumentation amplifier to meet following specification. It is asked in winter 2018. Similar kind of question were asked in winter 2018 for 14 marks. और का भी question similar ही था almost. So here specifications are: first, temperature rating is 0 to 200 degree centigrade. 0 to 200 degree centigrade के लिए मीटर बनाना है. Second, RTD platinum sensor has 100 ohm resistance at 0 degree centigrade. Whatever is the temperature dependent resistance, it has 100 ohm resistance at 0 degree centigrade, and its sensitivity variation is nothing but sensitivity. Its variation, or it is also termed as sensitivity, is 0.385 ohm per degree centigrade. Means if the temperature changes from 0 degree centigrade to 1 degree centigrade, the resistance of the RTD will be 100. Initially it is 100 plus 0.385 ohm. That is, it will be 100.385 ohm will be the resistance. Then सेंसर करंट जिसका हमें डिजाइन में यूज नहीं करना है, sensor current is 10 milliampere, and this is to be whatever is the change in temperature read by RTD is to be displayed on 2.5 display. Of course, it is LCD or say LED 7-segment display with maximum input 2 volt. I'll come back to diagram. Okay, so what are the given things? Given things are this: RT is given at 0 degree centigrade. RT is 100 ohm, and if temperature changes, it will add or subtract delta R. Of course, it is 0.385 ohm per degree centigrade will be delta R. Then bridge is there where RA, RB, RC and RT is connected, wherein bridge is excited by VDC, and here the sensor current will be, of course, 10 milliampere. One current will pass through RT because current will come, total current will come from the source, that is VDC. So one current will pass through RT, and here it will be divided into two branches again, and one current will pass into RA. So you can measure, if you say total current passing into this network is say 20 milliampere, you may take less than this because sensor current is 10 milliampere here. So it is 20 milliampere is the total current passing into the bridge, out of which 50% will be passing through RA, RB branch, 50% will be passing through RT and RC branch. So say 10 milliampere is passing here. Accordingly, you can choose value of VDC. So how will you choose value of VDC? Say this RT, this 10 milliampere इधर अगर pass करना है तो it is 100 ohm, and 10 milliampere this side, this will be 100 ohm. Yes, hello. तो कोई भी कर लेता, वो तो मेरा भी कर रहा है, सीख लेगी वो. So 100 ohm, RA is 100 ohm, RB is 100 ohm, out of through which 10 milliampere current is passing. So how much is the voltage required? So voltage कितना होगा? 100 plus 100, it is 200 ohm. 200 ohm multiplied by 10 milliampere. So 200 ohm multiplied by 10 milliampere. Whatever is the voltage that you can apply as VDC here for exciting this bridge. Now At balance condition solution, when V1 and V2 is equal, then bridge is said to be balanced. That is RA by RB upon RT by RC will be equal. So RA equal to RB. So here RA by RB equal to RT by RC. So here RA is equal to RB is equal to RC, that we took 100 ohm, say, because RT is 100 ohm at 0 degree centigrade and VDC is 2 volt. 200 multiplied by 10 milliampere is 2 volt. That's why VDC is chosen 2 volt here. Now solution to the further steps, that is V1. V1 कैसे निकालोगे आप? We'll see here. How to calculate V1? V1 is voltage here, which is connected at this point in between RA and RB. So V1 will be voltage across RB. Therefore, using voltage divider rule, that is RB upon RA plus RB into VDC will be equal to V1. So same is written here. That is RB upon RA plus RB voltage divider rule multiplied by applied voltage is VDC. That is 100 by 200 multiplied by 2 will be 1. So V1 is 1. Similarly, V1 and V2 is equal. So V2 will be equal to RC upon RC plus RT. I'll come back to the diagram. Where is V2? Here is V2 in between RT and RC. And using voltage divider law, it is voltage across RC. Therefore, RC divided by RT plus RC into applied voltage VDC to these resistances. So we have this formula RC upon RC plus RT into VDC, that is again 100 upon 200 at bridge balance condition multiplied by 2 volt applied equal to 1 volt. So V1 minus V2 will be equal to 0 at balanced bridge condition, that is at 0 degree centigrade. However, when temperature varies from 0 to 200 degree centigrade, हमें maximum पे ही देखना है अभी, varies from 0 to 200 degree centigrade, delta RT, change in the resistance, temperature dependent resistance, will be equal to sensitivity multiplied by maximum temperature range. Sensitivity is given, that is 0.358 ohm per degree centigrade multiplied by maximum range is 200 degree centigrade. So it comes 77 ohm. That means if temperature increases from 0 to 200 degree centigrade, your resistance RT will also increase. Considering positive temperature coefficient, RT also increases by 77 ohm. Therefore, at 200 degree centigrade, RT is RT plus delta RT. 100 ohm plus 77 ohm, it comes 177 ohm is the resistance RT at 200 degree centigrade, using sensitivity into the picture. Therefore, here as a reference voltage, V1, will it change? No, V1 will not change. I'll go back to diagram again. V1 is caused by what? V1 is caused by applied voltage VDC, voltage divider rule, caused by, that is RA and RB. We know VDC is fixed 2 volt, RA is fixed 100 volt, there is no temperature effect on RA. RB is also fixed, that is 100 ohm, no temperature effect on RB. Therefore, here whatever is the voltage developed across, say, V1 terminal, it will be constant, that is RB upon RA plus RB into VDC, that is equal to 1 volt. We already calculated this. This will be constant and working like a reference to the instrumentation amplifier, because whenever you are counting or measuring some physical quantity, you want certain reference, and it is generated here. Like if you wanted to say measure 1 kg sugar into the balance, you need standard 1 kg weight to measure sugar. So that's standard reference. So here uh, standard reference is V1, and which is 1 volt, which is fixed, will not change because all the quantities Ra, Rb and Vdc is constant here. However, your resistance RT is variable and it is affected by the temperature. It may add on or subtract its resistance with respect to temperature. As temperature increases, resistance increases. As temperature decreases, resistance decreases. Therefore, V2 not be constant. V2 will be RC upon RC plus RT plus now delta RT here. So putting value into VDC, putting value 100 upon 100 plus 100 plus 77, that is 277 multiplied by 2 volt, it comes 0.722 volt. So initially when bridge was balanced, at that time V2 was 1 volt, but due to 200 degree centigrade change, due to 200 degree centigrade change, its value is reduced, V2 value is reduced to 0.722 volt. Now coming to the difference, because instrumentation amplifier always amplifies the difference between say input terminals. Therefore, the difference V1 minus V2, ye wala difference will be 1 volt minus 0.722 volt, that is 0.278 volt is the differential voltage at 200 degrees centigrade. Very easy problem, very easy solution for getting 14 marks. So 0.278 volt at 200 degrees centigrade. It is a maximum change now because maximum temperature is 200 degrees centigrade. Now here we have to think of the gain. We came up to this. We have solved for bridge. We have solved for difference between V1 and V2. Now we are interested in solving for gain of an amplifier. Now for gain, what is gain? Gain is the output upon input. So output upon differential input will say. If I say this is VID, differential input VID, then it will be output upon differential input. What is output of the amplifier? Here is the output of the amplifier. I'm marking here. Please look at the PPT. Output of the amplifier is here. But similarly, same output of the amplifier is given as an input to the indicator or display device. Let's check your problem statement. I came back to the problem statement PPT. Here, your display has, it can handle maximum 2 volt input voltage. So here, this indicator can handle maximum 2 volt input voltage, means maximum output voltage of the amplifier will be of course 2 volt. So to calculate gain, you may use maximum output of the instrumentation amplifier. Of course, it will be the maximum input to the indicator divided by differential input VID, V1 minus V2. Similar thing is there on this PPT, where the digital display requires maximum 2 volt input to operate. Therefore, maximum output of instrumentation amplifier is 2 volt. Hence, the calculation of gain will be AV is equal to VO max, that is 2 volt of course, divided by VID, which is 0.278 volt. So 2 volt divided by 0.278 volt will be 7.19 is the gain, very small, approximately equal to 7. So जब आपको ये गेन बहुत ही स्मॉल दिखता है, ओवरऑल गेन, then choose R2 by R1 जो है differential gain, choose it is equal to 1. No need to choose it more than one. So we will choose R2 by R1 is equal to 1. That is, you can say that R1 is equal to R2 is equal to say 5k or 10k, any value, say 10 kilo ohm. Now for second stage A3, we have formula, that is remaining part kya hai, 1 plus twice R dash upon R will be equal to 7, because R2 by R1 is 1 now. So there will be only R and R dash into the picture. So 1 plus twice R dash upon R will be equal to 7. R by R dash, लिखते वक्त गलत लिखा मैंने, it must be R dash by R. So R dash by R will be equal to 3, because 7 minus 1 will be 6, divided by 2, ये वाला 2 will be equal to 3. Select R is equal to 15k. R की वैल्यू 15k हमने चूज किया है. Select R dash is equal to 15k. Then value of R will be equal to, R will be equal to 5k. So again 15 by 5 will be equal to 3. So by putting value of R1, R2 is equal to 10k, R is equal to 5k, R dash is equal to 15k, then it will provide you gain is equal to 7. Accordingly, your instrumentation amplifier for say bridge of RTD is designed. So this is all about the bridge amplifier. We solved one problem from university exam winter 2018, 14 marks. Any question till now? I'll wait for 1 minute. Any question on this? So if there is no question, we'll move to the next similar problem. Here next problem is design temperature indicator with following specification. That is winter 2018, 14 marks, same paper or wala question. There is a thermocouple now. Thermocouple, as I said, thermocouple is a passive transducer. If you put thermocouple tip into the temperature, boiling water or say subject to any temperature, then it will provide you voltage in millivolt at the output terminal. There are only two ends, uh, two terminals to the thermocouple. So as it is directly giving you voltage range with respect to temperature, then no need of bridge here. You have to remember this. Otherwise, what is the confusion? I have seen certain papers. What is the confusion? You put thermocouple into the bridge. Okay, so don't do that. If there is passive transducer like RTD, then you have to use bridge amplifier. Else thermocouple is providing those sensors which are providing you direct voltage with respect to change in temperature or any physical quantity. Those can be directly connected to the V1 and V2 of the instrumentation amplifier. Now thermocouple sensitivity Somewhere you may find word variation. Thermocouple sensitivity is 10 microvolt per degree centigrade. Means say if 0 degree centigrade पे अगर 0 volt output है, then 1 degree centigrade पे it will have 10 microvolt at terminal. Then one new thing is here that noise is given. Noise, common mode noise is 100 microvolt, and differential mode noise, DM is differential mode noise, is 10 microvolt with 50 हर्ट्ज फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी का हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं, यहाँ पे 60 भी लिखा तो कैलकुलेशन विल बी सेम. सो दिस इज द नॉइस. देन output indicator is DVM, that is digital voltmeter, or say digital meter with maximum input of 2 volt. So as it is 2 volt is the maximum input to DVM, so of course maximum output of the instrumentation amplifier will be 2 volt. Maximum temperature range मीटर बनाना है यहाँ पे. maximum temperature range is 2000 degrees centigrade. So minimum will be of course 0. So range is 0 degree centigrade to 2000 degrees centigrade. And one more new thing compared to previous problem is output error should be less than 2%. You have to verify this whether it is less than 2% or more than 2%. But it is given it must be less than 2%. Specifications are given. Now here you can observe the change in previous diagram with bridge and without bridge. Now thermocouple symbol is like this. Thermocouple is here. If you say put this thermocouple to the temperature T, then the output of the temperature changes, and here whatever is the given into the problem statement, it changes 10 microvolt per degree centigrade. And as we are getting direct change in terms of voltage, so what I did, I directly connected these two terminals of thermocouple to V1 and V2, because it is directly giving you the differential voltage. It is acting like a differential voltage. 10 microvolt है, the 10 microvolt will be amplified. 100 microvolt it will be amplified. 1 volt it will be amplified with. Then we have to think of the gain of instrumentation amplifier. Stages are same, so gain will be calculated of course. Maximum VID, VID क्या रहेगा? Maximum voltage provided by thermocouple at what? 2000 degrees centigrade. Maximum output of the amplifier, instrumentation amplifier, will be equal to maximum input of the indicator or display. The steps are same again. So we'll move to the solution. Here first of all, selection of gain of first and second stage. What do you mean by first and second stage? I'll come back to very earlier instrumentation amplifier using 3 op-amp. So selection of gain, these are the stages 1, 2 and 3. So here output of the sensor is nothing but sensitivity into temperature. Range is maximum is 2000, it is said, so it is assumed that minimum is 0. So at temperature 0 degree centigrade, output of the sensor is nothing but thermocouple here, will be sensitivity, that is 10 microvolt per degree centigrade into 0 degree centigrade, it is equal to 0. So here at temperature 2000 degree centigrade, output will be sensitivity 10 microvolt multiplied by 2000 degree centigrade, that will be equal to 20 millivolt. So you can see here your output of the sensor varies from 0 volt up to 20 millivolt. Suppose for 1000 degree centigrade, it must be of course 10 millivolt. So as the temperature increases, your uh, output of the sensor also increases, and maximum is 20 millivolt. So we have to think of this to calculate the gain. I need a maximum value only. Middle values will be automatically treated once the gain is decided, proper gain is decided. Now what is differential voltage? It will be of course V1 minus V2, but यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग voltages नहीं है जैसे ब्रिज में था. These this 20 millivolt, this 20 millivolt directly given to the V1 and V2. So voltage between V1 and V2 will be 20 millivolt. So VID will be directly the output, maximum output of the sensor is nothing but 20 millivolt at 2000 degrees centigrade. These are some points which is to be remember while solving bridge amplifier and thermocouple say amplifier. So overall gain, therefore overall gain AV will be maximum output of the amplifier. Maximum output of the amplifier is nothing but maximum input to the DVM. So it is 2 volt divided by VID. VID is 20 millivolt. So maximum gain will be equal to 100. So here we decided, of course, we obtained the gain value is equal to 100. So for this, you have formula AV is equal to R2 by R1 into 1 plus twice R dash upon R. Now here 100 is say much more number. So here you can choose R2 by R1 is equal to 2 or any value, say 5. You may choose 1 also, no worry about that. You may find several solutions. If you choose R2 by R1 is equal to 1, then it is correct. Accordingly R dash and R का value निकलेगा. If you choose R2 by R1 is equal to 2, accordingly R and R dash का value निकलेगा. So nothing is wrong if you go for say R2 by R1 की value 1, 2, say 4, likewise. So here solving for the gain, AV is equal to complete formula is R2 by R1, which is of course differential gain, third stage ka, into 1 plus twice R dash upon R, where I'm choosing this R2 by R1 is equal to 2. So of course this value 1 plus R twice R dash upon R will be equal to 50. So by selecting R2 is equal to 10K and R1 is equal to 5K, we have R2 by R1 is equal to 2. Now this AV is equal to 100 and R2 by R1 is equal to 2. Therefore 1 plus twice R dash upon R will be equal to 50. R by R dash will be equal to 24.5. 50 minus 1, 49. 49 divided by 2 is 24.5. Let's select R dash is equal to say 5K. Therefore R will be 204 ohm only. So by this way we can choose value of R1, R2, R and R dash. Putting all this value into the formula, AV will be equal to 100. So here you can say this is the step. This is the step for selection of
सोना
So selection of gain is done here. Now in this problem statement, noise, common mode noise and differential mode noise is also given. Accordingly we will go for the we'll go for calculating errors. So noise, common mode noise is 100 microvolt. Differential mode noise is 10 microvolt. With 50 hertz frequency it is given. So output error, you have to remember this formula. Output error, VO error is equal to differential mode gain, you may say AD or ADM, into noise voltage of differential mode, that is nothing but 100 microvolt. Then common mode gain plus common mode gain, you may say AC or ACM, into common mode gain noise voltage, that is of course 10 microvolt, where differential mode gain that we already calculated here 100, जो भी हम आउटपुट अपॉन VID करते हैं, VID is nothing but differential voltage. So maximum output upon differential voltage is nothing but differential gain, that is 100. Do you know what is ACM, common mode gain? No, you have to calculate. But you know what is the IC 741 is used. CMRR for IC 741 is 90 dB. And you know the formula, CMRR is equal to ADM upon ACM, where CMRR is known, that is 90 dB, decibel को convert करना है. Then AD is 100. We have to calculate AC. After conversion into this formula, we get AC is equal to 0.0003. Common mode gain is always very, very less. 0 is preferable or 0 is ideal. This is common mode gain. Then gain AD upon AC will be equal to 31622.77. That is nothing but what? AD upon AC, इसका अगर आप डेसिबल में कन्वर्ट करो, you will get this figure. So AD by AC is this. So putting into the formula, VO error is equal to differential gain 100 multiplied by differential noise 10 microvolt plus common mode gain 0.003 multiplied by common mode noise 100 microvolt. Calculating this term, we get VO error is equal to 1 millivolt. Error voltage is 1 millivolt in this. Coming back to the statement, problem statement again. Here thermocouple sensitivity दिया है. We use this for calculating VID at maximum temperature 2000 degree centigrade. We use output of DVM, maximum input to the DVM 2 volt, for calculating maximum differential gain 100. Then using noise given here differential and common mode, we have calculated error into the output, and that is 1 millivolt. 1 millivolt, while for how much? This given solution. And after solving this all 1, 2, 3 and 4, fifth statement is given, output error should be less than 2%. Now how to decide this 2%? Of course we will have maximum output और उसका हम 2% निकालेंगे, कितना आएगा. Let's go to the solution here. 2% error of maximum output is 2% means 2 by 100 multiply maximum output कितना है 2 volt. हमें पता है maximum output of the amplifier is 2 volt, so it will be 10 millivolt. So 2% error का मतलब है 10 millivolt, but हमारा actual error is only 1 millivolt, जो कि we may say 0.2% है. Is it? It is 0.2%. So therefore we may say that the output error actual that we calculated 1 millivolt, is less than 2% error into the circuit. So this is how we can solve design of temperature controller or indicator using RTD and thermocouple along with 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier and digital display or say DVM. So this was all about the instrumentation amplifier and bridge amplifier. Similar kind of problem, one or two more problem will be conducted to understand such type of problem. Now we'll have one assignment for you. Please note it down. Please note down the assignment. It is of summer. I'm typing here summer 2018 for 13 marks. Design temperature indicator using thermocouple to meet following specifications. So the specification given is temperature range is 0 to 200 degree, instead of 200 is 100. 0 to 100 degree centigrade. Please note it down. Then sensor is rhodium or platinum with 6.5 microvolt per degree centigrade. माइक्रोवोल्ट पर डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, यहाँ पे स्लैश होना चाहिए. It is rhodium or platinum. With 6.5 microvolt per degree centigrade. Then provide digital indication with 2.5 digit DVM with 200 millivolt maximum input. So displays provide digital indication with 2.5 digit display.
आठ जूते पॉलिश करने पर मुझे 1 पाव मिलता था. थाली से ज्यादा नीचे गिराकर खाने वालों के बीच मिट्टी में गिरे पाव के लिए तुम इतना तड़प रही हो तो तुम्हारी मजबूरी मैं समझता हूँ.
यश खंडारे,
इन लोगों के बारे में मत सोचो, कोई तुमसे ज्यादा ताकतवर नहीं.
You will not be
इस
attending
दुनिया में
A2 classes
सबसे बड़ा
today
योद्धा
onward.
माँ होती है.
Yash Khandare. Do you hear me, Yash Khandare? Yash Khandare. You will not be attending A2 classes today onward. Okay? I'm removing your participant into the meeting. I'll write your name, Yash Khandare. Maximum display with maximum 200 मिलीवोल्ट दिया हुआ है पेपर में. 200 मिलीवोल्ट इनपुट वोल्टेज एंड नेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है next given is use 3 op amp instrumentation amplifier. With adjustable gain facility. So this is the problem statement given. This is assignment for you for 13 marks. So solve it. You know the design steps. Design steps are similar to the previous problem that we discussed. Again, noise margin वगैरह यहाँ पे दिया ही नहीं, noise and error. So it is very easy just to calculate maximum VID for maximum temperature. Accordingly, set maximum gain for maximum output and accordingly choose value of R1, R2, R and R dash. This much is sufficient here. So any question from your end? I'm waiting for questions from your end.
हेलो
यस,
सर, असाइनमेंट कब तक के सबमिट करना है?
1 वीक में कर दो। क्या लगता है उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए आयुष?
ओके सर।
won't take more than half an hour, okay?